We're getting every woodpecker here. We gotta make a list of what that come here.
He is really big.
Yeah, he's big boy, or big girl. They don't change up.
He's probably going to come to the feeder because he's making holes to store the food.
Yeah, remember, if that's the case, that'd be awesome. He comes down, he's gonna break the freaking suet feeder. What is he called? Pilated?
Pilated.
Pilated? Where's that book?
Somewhere over here, near me.
Is it near you?
Yeah, to the left. Surprised you spotted him.
I got bird eyes too, baby. Not as good as you sometimes, but I got good ones. I heard him. I couldn't see him. He'd been on that tree all morning. I don't want to open the door, but I can just imagine the sound because it was like, what is that noise? It was like, doo 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 doo. It's like, wow, that's a wood. Oh, there's a perfect picture right there. Wow, he is a big dude.